Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB drive on Linux, Ubuntu to be specific. I'm running Zorin OS here, so it might be different distro for you, but almost the same pattern. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB flash drive on Linux. I'm going to use this ISO file right here as an example. So first of all, you have to plug in the USB to your computer, as always. Now after plugging that to your computer, just make sure the USB has shown. I've already did this, so I want to redo it in this video. You can see right here, it's already bootable. Let me show you how to do that. Now you have to search and look for an app called Disk. Now open it. And here you're going to choose your USB flash drive. As you can see right here, I have a 64 gig USB flash drive. So if you want to make it bootable, what you have to do is to click on this gear icon right here. Click on it and click on Restore Partition Image. So you have to choose the ISO file you want to make bootable. So I'm going to click on it and navigate to my download folder because I have a copy here on my download folder. Okay, that's it. Zorin OS 18. Click on it. It says this disk image is 59 gig, smaller than the target device. So it's basically saying what we're trying to make bootable is very, very small because I have a 64 gig flash drive. Just have to ignore this warning. What I have to do is to click on Start Restoring. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to write this disk image to the device? Click on Yes, which is Restore. And it will ask you for your user password. Click on Authenticate. And now it's going to do the job for you. It's going to make the USB bootable. You have to wait till it is 100%. So that's how you create a bootable USB flash drive on Linux. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.